Hello everyone, Artisan Pirate here, and welcome back to the channel. We are once again back up at Klingspor Woodworking Shop. We are at the Hickory, North Carolina location, and this is the flagship store of the amazing Klingspor franchise. Really cool. It's just been expanded to over 20,000 square foot of woodworking fun and splendor. You can see how massive the store is behind me. They are having a special two-day event. The event happened yesterday, May 3rd, and it's happening today. The time of this video is recording on May 4th. Unfortunately, I couldn't commit to both days, so I'm up here on the Saturday, but it did take place yesterday, and I heard that this place was packed from wall to wall with people eager to learn the woodworking trade and everything. I am, of course, up here doing the live scroll saw demos, and we haven't done a retrospective video up here at the Hickory location, so that's what this video is all about. As always, I am happy to teach and show people how to use a scroll saw. So everyone is coming in the door. We officially start at 9 a.m. I'm going to get my stuff set up, and we'll enjoy the day. And in traditional fashion, when we do one of these store celebrations, it rained, but the rain did not deter the crowds from coming out, and I was happy to come back up here to the Hickory location of Klingspor. Again, this is the flagship store, and it's just been massively expanded to 20,000 glorious square foot of woodworking fun. And here I am just walking around glancing at everything before the doors opened at 9 a.m. Of course, all the major tool brands are represented here, and throughout this whole day there was sales and deals going on. But the store is laid out beautifully, and I'd only ever been to this store one time, and that was back in late 2020, early 2021, I believe, and it was very small. Again, they have recently expanded to this massive size, and it is a woodworker's candyland. And they have everything that you need, from the smallest needs to the biggest needs. They have high-end tools, they have scroll saws, lathes, Dremel tools, you name it, they got it. But it was fun to just walk around and see all the new stuff that they had on hand. Again, I was blown away by how big the store was, and they had me set up on a nice Pegasus scroll saw here, and I had some of my work displayed as well, giving people some sneak peeks of future YouTube videos. And I was also humbled that they put my actual YouTube videos up on their screen above where I was scroll sawing. I was very thankful and appreciative of that, and I was set up right beside the amazing Rikon guys. I do have my eyes on a Rikon bandsaw. But Klingspor has a small library in all four of its locations to where you can pick up some books if you are just getting into woodworking to give you the leg up and advantage. A lot of books here by Fox Chapel Publishing. And of course, being a woodworking store, they have all of the hardwoods, exotic woods, softwoods, you name it, they got it. And if they don't have it, they can probably get it for you. But always a great selection. And again, I was just amazed by how big this store was, and I was just blown away by the variety here. And I was happy to come up here. And this location here is around an hour and 45 minutes from me. And I also looked at the Rikon scroll saw again. The first time I seen one of these in action was at the extravaganza last October. So it has definitely been on my radar. But now that the doors have opened, demos have officially begun. And here is the representative for Sorby, which is precision wood turning tools, making a nice bowl. And Michelle Parsons and crew was in as well, doing live pyrography demos, and she does amazing works, and she can make wood burned images that look just like still photographs, as you can see. And here is the Easy Wood Tools demo. Once again, precision wood turning tools. I'm so fascinated by wood turning, and I really need to get back into it because I have so many amazing friends that do wood turning. But it is always fun to watch. For lunch, they had a food truck, and I got a nice barbecue sandwich and some French fries here, and took a break to just talk with everyone. And periodically throughout the day, they done a raffle, and they give away several amazing prizes, and the grand prize on this day was a Rikon MIDI lathe. So congratulations to all the winners who won prizes on this day. Coleman always does a great job doing these giveaways. And I was given a demo of the amazing dust stopper here. Really cool technology that allows everything to be captured in a bucket instead of in the shop vac itself, and that prolongs the life of any kind of shop vac. James was on hand doing the saw stop demo with the hot dog, and it always draws a crowd, and James is just an amazing individual when it comes to showing off all the styles and varieties of the saw stop saw. Again, it was a steady stream of people throughout the day, and there was wood turning demos, pyrography demos, hand carving demos, and this was really cool to stand and watch this piece here take shape for a few minutes. Here we have Richard. We are part of NC Woodworkers. You can see the banner behind him, and we are up here doing demos on this day, but Richard is doing his French polishing demos, and what's really cool is that Richard mixes his own polishes and finishes. Here is Chris of Klingspor, and he is doing the CNC demo, and I believe he was running the Vectric software, which is the same software I have for my CNC machine. And again, CNC stuff is something that I need to get more involved with. The CNC I have just sits in the shop because I do so much scroll saw work, but I am also blown away by all the capabilities that this amazing machine can make. Here was some examples of it, and of course the Klingspor logo. And here I am at the scroll saw. I had several pieces prepped, but as I've said before, it is always more talking than it is actually scrolling. But if anyone wanted to see a particular style of cut or technique, I had a whole box of stuff prepped, and I was always happy to stop and talk to anyone who walked up. But today's event ran from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and I was happy to just do my thing. And I brought the GoPro along to do a quick walk around here just to show you guys the scale of the store. And I'm just doing a quick walk around here at the end of the day before I headed home. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. I'd really appreciate the support. Again, the only way to take in the vastness of this store is to just see it for yourselves. And before heading back to Burlington, I of course had to do some shopping myself. But I hope you all have enjoyed the video.
And that's going to about wrap it up for today in Hickory, North Carolina, my friends. We had a steady flow of people coming in and out the door, meeting everyone. Smiles were made, and more importantly, memories were made. All of us at the NC Woodworkers had a great time, as well as all of the vendors that came out to do live demos as well. Really, really cool. I hope you all have enjoyed the retrospective video through my eyes. Once again, we are at Klingspor Woodworking Shop. There you see the logo there. I would, of course, love to have done the intro or the outro here in front of the store itself, but unfortunately today it is raining cats and dogs. It's just one of those things that you can't plan for. But we had a great day in the dry store, having fun in our world of woodworking. As always, I'm happy to come out and do these live demos, and I'm so blessed and humbled by all of these opportunities. And the best way to see one of these events at Klingspor Woodworking Shop is to just make the pilgrimage for yourself and come out and take it all in for yourselves. Just plan for it one time if you are in the area, or if you see it on the calendar and you can make it. I highly encourage you to do so. But I hope you guys have liked this retrospective video through my eyes. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it, and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.